We know that the damped equation, final solution, that is alpha square 2b alpha plus omega square is equal to 0. Okay, then this is the standard quadratic equation. We can write this as minus alpha is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus omega square. We can write this, we call it as equation number 13 or something. Okay, substitute these equation in equation 10. What is the equation 10? So standard equation 10 is what we know that. What is that? Dou square x by dou t square plus 2b dx by dt plus omega square into x is equal to 0. Substitute these values in this equation. Okay, and x is equal to a into e to the power of alpha t. Okay, substitute this equation alpha value and x is equal to a as it is, you write. Okay, into e to the power of minus, okay, b plus or minus b square minus omega square into t as it is, t you write. Okay, this is what call this equation number 13 means this is 14. Okay, so the general solution for the above equation can be written as in the form of x is equal to c e minus b plus or minus is 0, no, plus 1 minus 1 b plus, okay, b square minus omega square into t into t into t plus d e to the power of minus b square minus omega square into t. Okay, this equal where c and d are the constant which can be determined, so let the, for example, the time be counted from the maximum displacement. For example, this is support. Okay, this is the spring. Okay, this is a spring and this is a load. This is the displacement, maximum displacement. Suppose the time be counted from the maximum displacement, from here maximum displacement, okay, position, for which the value of the displacement here is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0 when it started to come down, that is t is equal to 0. Therefore the maximum displacement purpose, what will write? T is equal to 0, x is equal to x naught. Okay, then the equation above equation will becomes equation 14 will becomes, what is that? What is it? X is equal to x naught. Okay, t means t0 means e to the power of 0 means c into e to the power of 0 plus d into e to the power of 0. It means x naught is equal to c plus d, e naught is equal to 1. Okay, so call this equation number whatever this number 16 or something. Now differentiate the equation, this equation number we call this one. Differentiate the equation 14 or a, you call differentiate equation a. Okay, then we will get, okay, dx by dt. Okay, dx by dt, this equation, okay, minus, okay, equal to minus b into plus b square minus omega square into t as it is, into c to the power, c into e to the power of, okay, c into e to the power of same minus b plus b square minus omega into t as it is, plus, okay, again minus b here, minus b square minus omega square, okay, minus square, t will not be there here, okay, into d e to the power of minus b minus of b square minus 2 into t. This equation will be there. Okay. Same, you know that here what is the time here? Time is equal to initial point, that is 0. Okay, time is equal to 0. Okay, if time is 0 means dx by dt is also 0, the rate of change of displacement is also 0. Therefore this will become 0. Then we will write minus b plus of b square minus omega square into c e to the power of minus value plus minus b into minus b square minus omega square into d into e to the power of minus value, that is there equal to 0, because dx by dt is equal to 0, rate of change of velocity is equal to 0 when time is equal to 0. So this will get, or or we can take the common for here. What we will take common here? Minus b, okay, plus b square minus omega square, okay, into c plus minus b square minus omega square into d equal to 0 is equal to 0. So minus so minus b, if you add to means what remains? C plus d remains, okay, remains, plus what will do? B square minus omega square into c minus d, okay. If you simplify this means you will get this value, okay? Or c plus d is what? C plus d is the x naught, therefore minus b into x naught, okay, plus b square minus omega square into c minus d is equal to 0, or bx naught is equal to b square minus omega square under root into c minus d. Wait. This minus, therefore bx naught by b square minus omega square is equal to c minus d. This c minus d called as equation number 17. C plus d one equation and c minus d another equation, called this equation, okay. Now adding both, how many minutes? Adding both the equation, okay, then 17 and 16, that is c plus d, okay, plus c minus d. Add it both, what will write? C plus d is x naught, okay, plus bx naught divided by b square minus omega square, okay. What is that? C plus d plus of c minus d. What will get? Minus d minus c. This is equal to 2c. Therefore okay, x naught, okay, plus, okay, bx naught divided by b square minus omega square, okay, omega square is equal to 2c, or c is equal to x naught by 2. X naught is taken common, therefore 1 plus of b by b square minus omega square. This is one equation, okay. This is one equation. Substituting the equation or subtract the equation 17 and 16, or we can write c plus d minus of c minus d, can also be written as in this fashion: x naught, c plus d means x naught, minus c minus d is bx naught divided by b square minus omega square, okay, is equal to c minus d, c plus d minus of c minus d, okay. This is equal to c plus d minus c minus into plus d. So we get cancel c, therefore this will be 2d. Therefore once again we will write directly t is equal to cross multiplication or simplify this equation. We will get 1 by 2, okay, or we can take x naught common, 1 by 2, then same 1 minus, here it minus b by b square minus omega square is equal to this, called as equation 1. So substitute these c and d, in the standard equation, that is x is equal to, therefore x is equal to x naught by 2, okay, 1 plus b by b square minus omega square, okay, into e to the power of minus b minus whatever value is there, plus instead of d again x naught by 2, okay, 1 minus b, and all this is there. So this is the general equation or general solution for the damped equation. This is the general solution for the damped equation. Okay, here we need to write it, okay, cut it.